Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: A Guide to Aggregating with Grouping in Python. Introduction. Aggregating data with grouping is a common task in data analysis and manipulation. Python provides powerful tools for this purpose, and one of the most popular libraries for data manipulation is pandas. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use pandas to aggregate data based on specific criteria using grouping. If you haven't installed pandas yet, you can do so using the following command. Let's start by creating a sample data frame that we can use for demonstration. Now, let's group the data based on the category column. After grouping, you can perform various aggregation operations. For example, let's calculate the sum of values for each category. You can also perform other aggregation operations such as mean, median, minimum, maximum, etc., depending on your analysis needs. If you want to reset the index of the aggregated result, you can use the reset_index method. You can define custom aggregation functions using the agg method. For example, let's calculate both the sum and the average. If you have multiple grouping columns, you can pass a list of column names to the groupB method. For example, in this tutorial, we explored how to use pandas to aggregate data with grouping in Python. This is a powerful technique for analyzing and summarizing large data sets. Feel free to experiment with different datasets and aggregation functions to suit your specific analysis requirements. ChatGPT.